just how quickly we're seeing this market get worse. It was the worst day for Wall Street since 1987. Leadership will offer policies and technologies that are good for the environment. This comes from BlackRock over and over again. They say that gun makers should do more to protect American lives, which seems like a step in the right direction. Some of these companies work to make things safer, but so far, working with authoritarian countries has got in the way of that. We are giving BlackRock money without knowing it, and we have made it our duty to help lower that over time. Putting out its numbers this morning. About 1.2% of shares are down. But what it's all about is our ideals. About the company. But it looks like. Are you interested in making money without doing anything by selling automatically on Bybit? I'd like to share something interesting with you that's free. You don't even have to sit in front of your computer all day to follow my trades. Just click on the link below. You can also see how much money I make every month from trading by clicking the link in the description. Making money at your own pace is what it's all about. Look it over. There are some very interesting changes happening in both the Shiba Inu community and the cryptocurrency markets. If you're interested in Shiba Inus or have Shib tokens, you should watch this because the ecosystem's CEO has talked about some big changes that could make the price of Shib soar to heights that have never been seen before. What is the latest news about Shiba Inu coins? How will it change the value of Shiba Inus? Moving on, the meme coins bull case is based on this power to make things bigger. If the price goes down in the next few days, it is likely to go back up again. Shib growth factors that can be seen. It's possible that Shiba Inu is its own coin with a strong community. It's important to remember that the most important thing for growth is how it fits in with Bitcoin and the market as a whole. Because of this link, we can be sure that if the price of Shibs goes up, so will the price of Bitcoin. The most recent price action shows that this link is still very much there, even though it may not be active. There have been times when this trend seems to be decoupling. Shiba Inu also sees Shibarium's power and its campaign to burn tokens as big factors that could cause prices to rise again. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still there, please hit the like button. It's free, and it really helps with channel support. But stay tuned for more news about Shiba Inu changes and possible futures for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu prices go up by 7,700% as people try to make a move. The Shiba Inu burn rate has gone up a lot as millions of Shib tokens are sent to wallets that aren't being used. The Shiban website says that 21 trades have burned a total of 266,727,310 Shib tokens in the last day. This has caused the Shiban rate to rise by 7,700%. Since then, more than 500 billion Shib have been burned in the last week. Shiban says that 504,958,383 Shib tokens have been burned in 284 deals in the last 7 days. Shib has been slowly going up since it hit a low of 666 units on October 19. After this, Shiban has been slowly going up since it hit a low of 666 units on October 19. Shiba has been green 9 times in the last 11 days. The important daily MA50 level of 726 units was broken by Shiba. This level has been holding the price back since August. Shiba is getting closer to a price goal that could lead to its next big move now that this deal has gone through. For the present rally to continue, Shiba and Fresh Bowls need to break through the daily MA200 level at 823 units. If this is solved, Shiba and Nu might make a new move to try to get to the 1,134 unit level. Shiba and Nu hints at a surprise. The official Shiba and Nu X account makes an interesting news about when the Shiba identity will be revealed. They tell everyone to get ready for a big change in the blockchain industry. The community got a pleasant surprise when Shiba and Nu said that the first step toward showing a unique Shiba personality was almost here. It also says that a $5,000 Shib will be given away, and the countdown to the reveal begins. But stay tuned as we learn more about the Shiba Inu Cash and how it might change the value of the project now and in the future. It is expected that the price of Shiba Inu's Shib will go up by 10%. Shiba Inu's price is showing signs of tiredness and a possible pullback, which could be a good chance for buyers who are willing to wait. The current rise is likely to last longer because of the upcoming pullback and the reset of the momentum indicators. The cost of Shiba Inus will keep going up. Since October 26, when it hit a local high of 824 units and stopped going down, the price of the Shiba Inu has gone up by about 16%. As the price went up even more, the relative strength measure did not back it up. As a result, the upswing looked strong after this swing high. This divergence, which is negative, often means that prices will drop or the direction will change. It does happen sometimes, but when there is a lot of buying interest, there may only be a small drop instead of a sharp correction. Now that the decline has been reversed, it's not likely that bulls will fail. So, investors should expect the price of Shiba Inus to level off. This will allow buyers on the sidelines to step in, keep the price going up, and hit the lower limit of the bearish breaker, which is expected to reach 871 to 1,002 units. Shiba Inu price traders would make 11% more money from this move. The bullish thesis will be shown to be false, though, if the price of Shiba Inus drops sharply and consistently falls below 752 units. If you do this, you will break a key support level, which will lead to a lower low that could cause Shib to drop by 4.5%. Now comes the main plot of the movie. Shiba Inu developers start the countdown to a unique Shib personality, which was a surprise. The people who are working on the Shiba Inu project have taken a surprising step toward making a unique safe self-custodial identity. This means that there may be room for the price of Shib to go up before the countdown. The news came after Shibarium, the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency's layer 2 scaling option, came out. According to CoinGape, the project's leaders had said that self-sovereign identity, a digital identity system based on blockchain, would be used in all Shiba Inu projects. Shib, the name that is being held. The creators said that the 72-hour countdown has already begun, even though they haven't released all of the initiative's rules about self-custodial identity yet. So, on November 1, 2024, Wednesday, instructions will be given on how to take the first step toward getting the exclusive Shib identity. Shiba and Coltaria, the new developers, said that the ecosystem was about to take its first step toward self-custodial identity. The people who came up with the idea for the initiative called it a game changer that will cause a huge shift in the blockchain business. Army of Shiba, be careful. A nice surprise is fun for everyone, and yours is about to happen. The first step toward finding out who you are as a Shib will only take 2 weeks to finish. The countdown to 72 hours began, and the price of Cache went up quickly. On August 3, 2023, Shiba Inu's lead engineer, Satoshi Kusama, said that SSI self-sovereign identity would be added to all their projects. The SSI integration could be used in the statement that is about to come out. Many of our subscribers say they won't be selling Shib for the next 5 years because they believe the people who made Shiba Inu and know how much it's really worth. Instead, they plan to keep millions of them for themselves. How many ones do you guys have? In the space below for comments, please include a list of the Shibs you own. The Shib Bureau did the right thing by trusting the process. If you enjoy the video,